my channel. My name is Roke Khalifa. Now if you're new, don't forget to like and subscribe and share and comment. Now if you're also subscriber, welcome back guys. Like and comment and subscribe and like everything in my channel. Anyway, today's video I'm coming back with makeup tutorials, only because I wanted to try so bad makeup from Primark. So I was like, let me just do a video and I can share with you, because this is my first experience, like you guys as well. So all those girls out there and all the ladies out there, it doesn't mean you have to buy expensive makeup to look amazing. So I actually wanted to try this for you guys and to try for myself and just to learn a big lesson. Like, it doesn't mean a big brand you're gonna look good, even small brand like Primark you're not look good. So I enjoyed to do this video. And makeup is quite affordable, like, you know, Primark's everything, most of the stuff is affordable there. So I was, let me just come in and then show you guys how I do my makeup. And this is my first ever to try anything from Primark as a product wise, as a makeup wise. So this is gonna be interested, and I'm gonna see how the makeup look like because the makeup is quite cheap, like it's £2, £3, £5. Yeah, so I'm let me just try it. You never know, cheap stuff, it doesn't mean that it will not look good on you. I think it depends how you put it in, it depends how you apply it, and it depends how you basically want to look as well. So yeah, I'm gonna try it and let's go into it. The first thing, I want to do my eyebrows, guys, only because I went to Primark and I tried to find the eyebrow pencil. I couldn't find my color, the shade that I always want. I always want my eyebrows to be black, only because I don't know, because I prefer it. I don't like my eyebrows to be brown because it feels like it's gonna look tacky. Black girl and then brown eyebrows, it doesn't make sense to me. It doesn't, but I'm gonna try it, and one day I'm gonna try eyebrows, brown eyebrow, but today no. So I just went in my normal eyebrow pencil because I couldn't find the Primark one. So yeah, let's get into it. Everything that I used today, I got the receipt right here, guys. I didn't throw the receipt. So everything that I literally gonna use today is only £18. That's meaning everything as like included my face, but I think I didn't got quite, yeah, everything that I needed, but only the eyebrow pencil that I didn't get. Let's just go into the primer. So the primer, it was only £3, the primer from Primark. So let's see how the primer, ooh. Ooh, it's really, I don't know how to put it in word. It has like a smell. Well, I hope it won't do nothing to my skin, because I'm gonna put it all over to my neck as well, only because, you know, this is how the primer looks like. Primark primer, only £3. But again, it's a little bit, it doesn't have any smell at all. And then I'm gonna take my setting spray from Primark. This is how it looks like, and this, it was only £2. I always do this, especially I don't know how the makeup's gonna look like, so I'm just gonna spray it first. Ooh, it has smell, that setting spray, and I'm just gonna let it to dry. I'm gonna go in with my color collector. Oh, I didn't get my color collector. I didn't get the color collector, so I'm gonna go in with my color collector LA Girl, the orange shade. This is what I always use, so I didn't get the color collector from Primark, so I'm just gonna use this. The brush from Primark, so I'm gonna get my Technique brush, and then I just gonna try to blend everything. So while I was doing that, blend everything, I'm gonna go with my foundation from Primark as well. Oh Lord, I'm so excited how this is gonna turn out. But I'm gonna go in my shade. I believe this is my shade. I don't know if it's not, I'm gonna be so disappointed. This foundation, it was only £3. Only Finbar foundation. So let's go into it. Let's see how it's gonna look like, because I'm so scared of this. only because I couldn't try it when I went to the store. Now you know Primark is their kind of things. They don't, I think they got website online, but the website doesn't work properly for me. I don't know if it works for you guys. Damn, load. I'm alright. But anyways, I'm gonna take I'm just gonna shake it, because most of the foundation that you do use, you have to shake it first. I'm just gonna put it. Looks alright. It looks like my shade. Yeah, it looks like my shade. So I'm just gonna apply it like so. I was just gonna apply it one side so we can see if it's my shade. If it's not, I'm gonna be so disappointed, like I said. But if it is, happy days. But if it's not, terrible day. Just gonna put it to my neck as well. So guys, this is the side that it has foundation, and this is the side that doesn't have foundation. So I think this is literally my shade, like Primark, really, and it's full coverage as well. So another thing I'm gonna take is my contour stick. This is how they look like. This is how they look like. So this is a light shade. Let's just see. It's more creamy. I'm so scared. I'm literally so scared. Let me just try it. But it doesn't look. So the light shade. Just gonna put it right here. I'm not sure about this. I'm not sure about the stick, the contour stick, so I'm just gonna go in with my Makeup Evolution F13. Another thing that I gonna take is my contour stick from Primark. This is a darker shade. Oh lord, look at that. It just came off. What the hell? It just came off. Anyways, I can't even see it. I'm just gonna go back again with my setting spray. My baking powder. This was only £2 baking powder, and I'm sure this will be alright for my skin tone. I'm just gonna pour a little bit on one side to see how it's gonna look like. I feel like sneezing, but I cannot sneeze. But anyways, so this is how it looks like inside. won't bake this powder, only because I don't know how it reacts when you leave it for long. So I'm just gonna take it straight away. So this is eyeshadow palette, how it looks like from Primark. How beautiful is that? So this is the eyeshadow palette, how it looks like from Primark. So I got two, so I don't know which one I should got two because I'm going out after this. Zoom in so you can see the eyeshadow. So done that. Next we're gonna do our eye down below the eye. So let me just see what we're gonna use. So we're gonna use the same thing, but yeah, let's just, oh god, I'm gonna go in with this. I wanted to try it first, and I'm gonna just wash everything out in my cheek only because I forgot to buy my mascara from Primark. That's it. I forgot to buy my mascara, so I'm just gonna use the mascara that I do have in here. My eyelashes, and my eyelashes was how much? It was £4. £4. I think this is an expensive thing that I brought in Primark actually, because I haven't brought anything for £7, or everything is like £3, £4. So this is definitely the expensive one, or the product I brought from Primark. While I'm waiting for my lashes to dry, I'm gonna go in. I'm just gonna little bit contour on my face, only because I didn't. Now my eyelashes are dry. Let's try to stick this on to see how they look like. This is lips. Ooh, I like this makeup. Like, come on through, Primark. I got this lipstick, but I'm not sure I'm gonna be using this because I like my lip globs and stuff. So we'll see how this, first of all, the swatches, how it looks like. This was only £2 the lipstick as well. I'm gonna by the way, oh my god, I only tell the price, but I didn't tell you what the name is. It really, like, anyways, I'm gonna write everything in the below, guys, the names and the stuff. I'm trying to open this, but it's not opening. Well, let's do it the right way. Let's do the right way. Oh, my chest is about to finish as well. This is just great. So I'm just gonna try it right here. It's like that color. Can you see it? It's like reddish. Let's just try it. But I don't think I will like it. Ooh! So my final thoughts about the makeup. The makeup is literally amazing. I enjoyed it. It looks like my skin tone. I like everything about Primark makeup. Like, I think I had fun playing around with it, guys. Like, it's literally amazing. I will recommend to anyone to try it out there, because you see the result. But yeah, like, I really like it. I recommend to buy the foundation, to buy the setting spray, to buy the primer, to buy everything. But the only thing I will tell you to buy is this contour stick. I think it was only £2, but I don't think it's worth it because it didn't do the job for me. Maybe because I'm a dark skin, but if you're darker than me, then it could be your shade. But it didn't do nothing to me. This two of the makeup, these two stick, it didn't do nothing to me. Like, I literally, I'm not disappointed. It did a better job, but I wanted to be like literally highlight, like contour to be seen. I didn't want to be like under the key. I wanted to be like out there. But if you're the kind of person who likes like a natural look, I think this contour stick is for you. But if you like to go over the top like me, I don't think this contour stick is for you. Maybe because it wasn't the right shade, or I don't know, but it didn't work for me at all. But the eyelashes are amazing, the foundation is amazing, the what's it called, the eyeshadow, they're a little bit, they're alright. I won't say they're perfect, but they're alright. They do the job. Like, when you want your job to be done, it will be done. The highlighter is there. The setting powder is amazing. I can't say nothing about it. Anything bad is only the contour stick. I won't comment anyone to buy, but the rest of them I can comment you guys to buy it. I think that's it for me, and I'll see you guys in my next video. My next video is gonna be on Wednesday, so like and subscribe and like and subscribe and comment, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.